Welcome to Woodford Brothers, starring Josh and Cody as those rascally scamps Josh and Cody. A K-Rock production. Now that you've been hired by Woodford Brothers, let me introduce you to what you'll be using. Modern technology. Top-of-the-line tools. Old batteries. Oh, that Cody. I don't think you're in the right room, mister. Modern top-of-the-line office supplies. To be filed away in an orderly fashion. Here at Woodford Brothers, we have access to our own car wash. We keep our trucks clean, and look at the boys keep each other clean. There you go, Cody. Now hop on up in there and get ready to operate this piece of modern heavy equipment. That up. Here will be our new training facility with top-of-the-line facilities. The boys found the ice cream cooler. Yes, at Woodford Brothers, sometimes we have treats as well. There goes Coco, shoveling rocks again. Time to cool down, Coco. That's right. What are you doing down there, Josh? Oh, getting ready to repair a foundation. Let the neighborhood know that we've got the best work done on our basement, courtesy of the Woodford Brothers. How about up there, fellas? Off to the next job site. And there you have it. A hard day's work in the book, boys. Woodford Brothers. Hiring now.